Welcome to 3-2 Wonder. I'm Dr. Jeff, and today I'm gonna make a cloud. Whoa, that was awesome. And today we're gonna be exploring weather. Here we go. Today we'll learn that weather tells us what the sky and air around us are like on any given day. It can be sunny, windy, cloudy, rainy, snowy, or stormy. And scientists can predict the weather by understanding patterns.
3, 2, Wonder! Yeah! 3, 2, Wonder! Hey! Let's go! 3, 2, Wonder!
See the little tiny microorganisms. Addison, we can't understand you with that scarf over your mouth.
Oh, sorry. I said hi, Dr. Jeff. Hi, EJ.
Oh, hi.
I wish it wasn't so cold and windy today. Now I can't do my daily routine of running 5 miles.
But you've never ran 5 miles before.
I know. I was going to start today.
That coldness outside is called weather. Weather tells us what the atmosphere is like on any given day.
What's the atmosphere?
What?
I said, what's the atmosphere?
The atmosphere is all the sky and air around us.
I see. So today the weather outside is cold and windy.
That's right. Now, let's explore each type of weather one by one. It's time to go into our imagination. Follow me! Ready? Here we go! In 3, 2, Wonder!
I love my imagination.
I love it too because this is sunny weather.
My favorite.
Me too. Now, we learned before, the sun makes light.
It shines on the earth during the day and warms up everything around us.
Sunny weather is when the sun shines brightly.
On some days, it's hard to see the sun when it's hidden behind clouds.
Yep, what you're describing is cloudy weather. Clouds are made up of teeny tiny water droplets. They're so small, they can actually float in the air. When clouds block some light from the sun, we say the weather is cloudy.
I'm getting sad just looking at that.
To help us understand cloudy weather, we're gonna make our very own cloud. To do that, we need some safety equipment. Here you go. Now, don't try this at home. This bin is filled with a very, very cold liquid. It's called liquid nitrogen. So cold, you have to wear special gloves. When we mix in this water, it should make tiny, tiny droplets of water, just like a cloud. Let's count it down. In 3, 2, Wonder!
Whoa!
It's like being inside a cloud.
Ready to move on to windy weather?
Yeah!
Wind is when air around us moves. Wind can bend trees, blow papers from your hand, and it can even make clouds move.
But I don't understand. Why don't we see the wind?
That's a good question, Addison. Even though we can see the air, it's a gas that's all around us. Let me show you. What just happened?
The air takes up all the space in the balloon.
Exactly. Air is all around us. Let's see what happens when air moves fast. Oops. Brace yourselves.
Whoa! You just blew my umbrella away!
Yep, just like wind can do outside on a windy day. Now it's time to explore rainy weather.
You couldn't do this before we lost our umbrellas?
Sorry. Rain is when drops of water fall from clouds in the sky. Sometimes it rains a little bit, and other times it rains a lot.
I love the rain. It makes everything feel clean and fresh.
Rain is very important. It keeps trees and plants alive and provides people with fresh water that we can drink.
But too much rain isn't always a good thing either.
That's true, EJ. Too much rainy weather can sometimes lead to flooding or mudslide.
What happens to rain when it's really cold?
Let's find out.
I wish I hadn't asked that question.
Ooh, this is snowy weather. Remember that water can exist either as a liquid.
Or solid, which is ice.
That's right. Snow happens when rain freezes into a solid as it's falling down. Snow is made of frozen water.
Dr. Jack, can we see some weather a little less freezing?
Of course.
Finally, some nice, calm weather.
Welcome to a thunderstorm. Thunderstorms are when big clouds make thunder and lightning. And usually a lot of rain too.
Lightning is a bright flash of light in the sky.
And thunder is the loud sound caused by lightning.
Extreme weather like this should always be taken seriously. To keep people safe, scientists have learned how to predict storms before they happen. These experts are constantly studying the weather all around the country to detect patterns. By looking at weather patterns from the past, scientists can predict the direction that a storm will move across the country. For instance, from west to east.
So scientists study all the different types of weather to find patterns.
And they can use those patterns to make predictions about the kind of weather coming our way.
That's exactly right. Great job. Now it's time to do it yourself.
Today we're going to make your very own rain gauge.
You'll need a large soda bottle, scissors, sand and pebbles, a ruler, a permanent marker, and paper. First, have an adult help you cut off the top of the bottle.
Then fill up the bottom part with pebbles so that it is flat and won't fall over.
Next, use a ruler to mark the side of the bottle with dashes every inch or centimeter. Your choice.
Put the part of the bottle you cut off in the opening like this, and hold it in place with 4 paper clips.
To use the rain gauge, just put it outside and measure how much rainwater it collects after a storm.
Notice how some storms dump a lot of water, and other storms only a little.
A rain gauge is just one tool that scientists use to understand and predict the weather. Try it yourself.
It could be windy, it could be cloudy. It could be rainy, it could be stormy, or it could be snowing. Weather is what's happening in the Earth's atmosphere. Weather is what's happening in the Earth's atmosphere. Scientists, they can predict the weather. They can do this by understanding patterns. Weather is what's happening in the Earth's atmosphere. Weather is what's happening in the Earth's atmosphere. Now, let's review. Today, we learned that weather is what's happening in the Earth's atmosphere on any given day.
It can be sunny, windy, cloudy, rainy, snowing, or stormy.
And scientists can predict the weather by understanding patterns.
And now you know. Until next time, I'm Dr. Jeff.
I'm AJ.
I'm Addison.
And remember,
Always question, always wonder.